Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check your car stereo manual for HDMI, USB, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or Wi-Fi mirroring. Next, gather the correct cable or adapter, Lightning, USB-C, MHL, or HDMI to RCA, because the wrong lead stops everything. Now enable screen mirroring on your phone and put the stereo into the matching input or pairing mode. Once done, plug in the cable securely or start Bluetooth discovery. This gets the devices talking and moves you into the connection steps. Now execute the core connection depending on method. For wired, connect the cable and select the stereo's USB or HDMI input. When the phone asks, allow file or screen access so video streams through. For wireless, join both devices to the car's hotspot or same Wi-Fi or pair via Bluetooth. Then start the mirroring protocol, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Miracast. Make sure the stereo accepts app permissions and set display resolution. Otherwise, touch control and audio routing may fail. These steps complete the middle setup. Finish by testing. Play a video, make a call, and switch apps to confirm audio and video route correctly and touch controls respond. Secure and tuck cables, save the stereo input or preset so reconnection is quick, and adjust brightness and volume for safe daytime driving. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart both phone and stereo. Then test a known good certified cable and check firmware updates. These fixes resolve most handshake and compatibility issues and get you back on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.